Developing a comprehensive plan to integrate positive AI programming and ethical programming into government systems requires careful consideration and collaboration. Here is a 40-step plan that outlines the key actions and strategies to achieve this goal. 1. Establish a task force. Create a dedicated task force comprising experts in AI, ethics, and government policy to oversee the implementation process. 2. Conduct a comprehensive review. Assess the current state of AI programming and ethical guidelines within government systems. 3. Identify gaps and challenges. Identify areas where AI programming and ethical considerations are lacking or need improvement. 4. Develop a framework. Create a framework that outlines the principles and values that should guide AI programming in government. 5. Engage stakeholders. Collaborate with various stakeholders, including government officials, AI experts, and ethicists, to gather input and perspective. 6. Establish ethical guidelines. Develop a set of ethical guidelines specifically tailored to AI programming in government. 7. Train government employees. Provide training programs to government employees to enhance their understanding of AI and ethical considerations. 8. Foster partnerships. Collaborate with academic institutions and research organizations to promote research and development in positive AI programming. 9. Encourage transparency. Promote transparency in AI programming by making algorithms and decision-making processes open to public scrutiny. 10. Implement accountability measures. Establish mechanisms to hold government agencies accountable for the ethical use of AI. 11. Conduct impact assessments. Regularly assess the social, economic, and ethical impact of AI systems deployed in government operations. 12. Promote diversity and inclusivity. Ensure that AI programming teams are diverse and inclusive to avoid biases and discrimination. 13. Encourage public participation. Involve citizens in the decision-making process regarding the use of AI in government operations. 14. Establish an AI ethics board. Create an independent board responsible for reviewing and providing guidance on AI programming in government. 15. Develop AI procurement guidelines. Implement guidelines that prioritize ethical considerations when procuring AI systems for government use. 16. Foster international collaboration. Engage with international organizations and governments to share best practices and collaborate on ethical AI programming. 17. Create an AI impact assessment framework. Develop a standardized framework to assess the potential impact of AI systems on society. 18. Establish an AI ombudsman. Appoint an ombudsman to address public concerns and complaints related to AI programming in government. 19. Encourage responsible data management. Implement robust data protection and privacy measures to ensure responsible use of data in AI systems. 20. Promote interdisciplinary research. Encourage collaboration between AI researchers, ethicists, and social scientists to address complex ethical challenges. 21. Develop AI auditing mechanisms. Establish mechanisms to audit AI systems for biases, fairness, and transparency. 22. Encourage public-private partnerships. Collaborate with private sector organizations to leverage their expertise in developing ethical AI systems. 23. Establish a code of conduct. Develop a code of conduct for government employees involved in AI programming to ensure ethical practices. 24. Provide resources for AI education. Allocate resources to promote AI education and awareness among government employees and the general public. 25. Encourage responsible AI innovation. Foster an environment that encourages innovation while ensuring responsible and ethical AI development. 26. Establish a feedback mechanism. Create channels for citizens and stakeholders to provide feedback and suggestions on AI programming in government. 27. Regularly update guidelines. Continuously review and update ethical guidelines to keep pace with technological advancements and evolving ethical concerns. 28. Promote public awareness. Conduct public awareness campaigns to educate citizens about AI, its benefits, and potential risks. 29. Encourage interdisciplinary collaboration. Foster collaboration between government agencies, academia, and the industry to address ethical challenges collectively. 30. Establish an AI governance framework. Develop a governance framework that ensures accountability, transparency, and responsible use of AI in government. 31. Encourage AI for social good. Promote the use of AI in addressing societal challenges such as healthcare, climate change, and poverty alleviation. 32. Establish an AI advisory council. Form an advisory council comprising experts from diverse backgrounds to provide guidance on AI programming in government. 33. Monitor emerging technologies. Stay updated on emerging AI technologies and their potential impact on government operations and ethics. 34. Encourage public debate. Organize public forums and discussions to facilitate informed debates on AI programming and its ethical implications. 35. Establish a reporting mechanism. Create a system for reporting unethical AI practices within government agencies and ensuring appropriate action. 36. Promote international standards. Advocate for the development of international standards and guidelines for ethical AI programming in government. 37. Establish a research fund. Allocate funds to support research on ethical AI programming and its application in government operations. 38. Recognize ethical AI pioneers. Acknowledge and reward individuals and organizations that demonstrate exemplary ethical AI programming in government. 39. Regularly evaluate progress. Conduct periodic evaluations to assess the effectiveness of the implemented strategies and make necessary adjustments. 40. Share best practices. Share successful case studies and best practices with other governments and organizations to promote ethical AI programming globally. In conclusion, integrating positive AI programming and ethical considerations into government systems requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration, transparency, accountability, and continuous evaluation. By following this 40-step plan, governments can ensure that AI is developed and deployed in an ethical and responsible manner, ultimately benefiting society as a whole.